Alright guys, you know what this means. You see the box. That means I picked up a new car, which obviously you can tell by the title. So yeah, this is my new Corvette C8. So let's get it unboxed, and then you can see what color I chose. Alright, let's do it. Which obviously, of course, I bought it off of eBay like usual. Just gotta really tape this up. Alright, let's see. We can get this off at the right spot. Man. Yeah, you tape this up pretty good. Jeez. It's a little bit insane. Like, there is so much tape on this. Jesus. Okay, here we go. It's one side open. There's the other side. Okay. And there it is. That's right. It's yellow. So, here it is. This is my new Maisto Special Edition Corvette C8. I bought it off of eBay. It was about 30, I want to say $35 with shipping. I got it in yellow because it'll match my C7. Has the black stripe, which I like, which I believe is only on the special edition for Maisto. So yeah, let's get it open and take a look at it. Yeah, special edition Maisto right here. We'll do this side. Okay. So, here it is on its base. Looks pretty good. Paint is in good shape. There's a little bit of dust on it, but you know, that always happens with these models. And, you know, they get dirty in shipping and whatever, and that's fine. I'll just wipe it off. Which looks like the trunk is taped closed. There we go. So, yep, the trunk opens. Obviously, the door's open as well when I get that off. So, yeah, let's unscrew this puppy. Okay, there's one. And there's two. So, here she is. Need to make sure I save both of these screws. There it is. So yeah, there's one of the little things here. So let's get that off. And then we'll get this off. Okay. So, I believe it's just the doors and the trunk that open. Let's see though. Oh, nope. The engine thing also opens. So there you go. There's fully opened. It's a nice metal sound. Solid closing doors when they close. So yeah, it's just got a black interior, but I don't know, I like it. I think it looks good, and I think Maisto did a good job with it. Black wheels. It's a good spec, I think. And there's the, I still think it's a Camaro-ish back, but whatever. Something I do like is where it says right here on the license plate. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. It says 2020. I actually think that's pretty cool. It's got the small wing, quad exhaust. I mean, it's pretty realistic, I would say. The big, huge thing on the door. And the updated front. So yeah, that's about it. This is the new car though. Got it for a good price and happy to add it to my collection, and it's another yellow car, which I don't have too many of. So now let's go put it where it belongs with the rest of them. Okay, so here it is. It's on my yellow shelf, which as you can see is a little bit dusty. But yeah, so it's next to my base C7, my facelifted NSX, and then the C8. So, yeah, that's where it is. You can definitely see the evolution of the C7 to the C8 when they're side by side. you know, just more modern, more aggressive, whatever. But, yeah. So that's it. Here's the new car. Do you guys like it? Did I get the right color? What color would you get in your model or your real car if you were going to buy one? So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.